Your creative, beautiful, breathtaking career starts with a simple thought. What if? What if your art could live beyond your sketchbook? What if your designs could cover fabric and wallpaper, journals and stationery, objects that will fill homes and bring joy and make an impact? What if you could turn your creativity into something more, something bigger? The life of a surface pattern designer is one of abundance, flexibility, and freedom. You can create artwork for products around the world from wherever you are in the world. This career removes limits. It allows you to stop trading time for money and start building a creative business that works for you. I'm Bonnie Christine. I'm a surface pattern designer and educator, and I'm here to show you exactly how to make this your reality. Over the past 15 years, I've built a business doing what I love, and I've helped thousands of students do the same. And it all starts here with Immersion. Inside this 8-week program, I'll teach you how to master Adobe Illustrator, even if you're a complete beginner, how to design repeating patterns and collections that stand out, how to license your artwork and build a sustainable income, how to create a portfolio and brand that demands attention. No more feeling overwhelmed. No more wondering where to start. You don't have to figure this out alone. I'll guide you step by step through the entire process because there is room for you in this industry. Your creativity is meant for more, and the world is waiting for your unique perspective. So are you ready? This only happens once a year. Your first step, saying yes to your dream. Join me inside for the Surface Design Immersion course.